Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this yummy goodness I made from bread that I do not know what exactly to call it as a name. I make this most of the time for lunch, and I call it fish roll because I stuffed this with fish. So you do me a favor of suggesting a name at the end of this video and drop it in the comment section. That would be deeply appreciated. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you are a return subscriber, thank you for returning. Welcome back. So here are the list of ingredients we're using for this recipe. Here we've got our Scotch bonnet pepper, we've got garlic, we've got onions, we've got some eggs, we've got green bell pepper, we've got carrots, we've got fish. This has been seasoned properly and cooked already, just for us to debone and mash. Here we've got our milk. You can use either liquid milk or powdered milk. Just go ahead and mix with water. And here is our breadcrumbs, and then our bread. All the ingredients has been properly washed. I'll go ahead and chop the ones that needs to be chopped and mash the mashables. So let's get started. Go ahead and first of all I'll debone the fish. Then go ahead and mash it first. Now in your heated oil, go ahead and throw in your chopped garlic and onions and saute for a while. To that, go ahead and add your chopped pepper and also add your seasoning cube. Add some salt, add some curry and stir properly. Saute this for a while as well. After about 2 minutes or less, go ahead and add your chopped vegetables and give it a proper stir. Then to that, add your mashed fish. Stir properly, cover and allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Okay, this is after 3 minutes. Okay, now our filling is ready. I'll go ahead and set it aside and allow it to cool while I prep the bread. Okay, initially I wanted to use just this, but I increased this to this other one because of the number of people I have at home. Okay, now so go ahead and remove the crust, just like this. Do this for all the bread, and then you grab your rolling pin. Make sure it's clean and dry and roll it out exactly the way you see me doing it in this video. Now grab your filling and add some into the bread, just the way you add to your meat pie and fish roll. Then roll it out. Make sure you apply pressure. Then grab your brush and damp this part with your milk and to enable it to seal. You can as well do this with your egg. If yes, for meat pie I always use egg, but I don't know why I'm using milk for this recipe, you know. So if you don't want to use milk, it's very okay. Just go ahead and, you know, damp it with your raw egg. It will seal it up, but I prefer to use milk anyway. So after doing this, go ahead and throw it into your beaten egg. Mix it up like this, and then into your bread crust, your bread crumbs I mean to say. Just go ahead and do it this way until you are done. If you want it to be longer, just keep it, place the bread horizontally. As you can see, this one is longer. And another way of sealing the mouth is by using your knife to apply pressure. It will seal it up, but make sure you apply milk or egg. And here we go. Our bread is ready for frying. Go ahead and fry into not really a shallow oil, not too deep, not too shallow, and you must use high heat. And you fry each side for about 30 seconds. This one was more than 30 seconds. That's why you see it like this. I decided to leave this part so you see the results. Make sure you fry for just 30 seconds or less. Shall just keep your eye on it. You see how beautiful this one is looking. Guys, give this recipe a try and maybe tag me. I really appreciate that. Or you come back to the comment section to let us know how it tasted. Man, the taste is heavenly. Trust me, you will do this almost every time after giving it a try. Just in case you love food recipes, be sure to subscribe and feel free to click on the link above. There's a playlist there for you. There are different food recipes for children, for adults, and all of that. Please, if you haven't subscribed, endeavor to do so. Turn on your bell notification so you don't get to miss any of my videos. And I'll sure love to see you in my next video. Thank you for sticking around. Man, the taste is heavenly, trust me. Try this with your fresh juice and come back to testify. Yay! Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your bell notification. Share this with family and friends. Please help me share this video out. Tell someone to tell someone that Mrs. Brown has tantalicious recipes. Don't forget to suggest a name for this recipe because this is definitely not fish roll. Thank you for watching. Bye.